I'm up here, say Tri-Citi, the Plaza up in Gary, Indiana. So they got a little taco going on. Yes, sir. So about to see what they got popping off up here. So I just got through leaving the crib, doing some work on the car, waiting on another part to get dropped off. So I'll take me a break. I'm up here. Can't wait to do mine like that. Gotta order my struts. So I get my struts cut, really. Raised up. I got some boards for mine. Like what, the purple? I seen her when she came in. Almost like regular cars. Alright, there you go.
You got a nice crisp napkin. Got it.
It's starting to get hot. Baby boy. Yeah.
where your bitch at? That's how I'ma get back. I told someone with a kickback. My car there better miss that. Cause you know how I get. O's over everything. You know who I'm with. Mix me with them petty games, baby. You know I'm rich. I should tell you something. No, trick on you. Don't think you caught a slip. My bitch keep a blink on her. I still be in the drill. Number paper sticks on me. Yeah. Spin that cake. Spin that track. If you ain't leaving empty, tell your driver spin it back. Yeah. Spin that Hummer. Spin that range. He still where I left him, so I know I did my thing. Yeah. Spin that cake. Spin that track. If you ain't leaving empty, tell your driver spin that back. Deep cut. R.I.P. Models.
Starting to sweat.
It's playing real low. I don't want to play. What I'm trying to do is put the same bass kick that I hit back and make it hot. Okay. It's a little loud. I mean, at 4 o'clock this morning, I don't really give a fuck.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, fella?
Yeah. I'm like, you already know.
Fella, nice. So you got the 4-wheelers out. Him special, he by himself. They got food, concession stands along the side. That boy, we getting ready to go back to the prison, man. I'm gonna pass out out here, boy. That's what that's so we had Mickey Mouse pull up.
I guess the girl
Had this pull up. Policy on the board. Let's see what's over here in the back.
Chill. Shout out my people outside, man. We getting this music together, man. Shout out to everybody. Give yourself a hand in this thing, man. We about to get it in real quick. LDA, man. Much love. We getting this music together. Mark Flex, man. Try something for us so we can just chill and ride. I mean, not ride, but chill. But y'all ride, check out there. We're gonna give y'all some listening music while we get this under control. Welcome, Steel City salute. Let's work together. Hold on. End up. That's this yellow. Yeah. What she want, and she throw up. Yeah. Give her this, yeah. Still say neither, yeah. Stashed her in my tire.
Yeah, cause so I can get the body work and shit down. So I can get the body work and shit down on.
One more time, shout out my people at the car club today too.
That motherfucker no more. You at the white Buick too?
Coach Gaston.
Yeah.
And Tommy.
You sell that deal?
I thought about it.
How much, man, to the DJ?
I don't know, I probably said for like 25.
Let's go.
What about that white?
No, I ain't gonna sell that one though. Yeah, that Delta shit, that motherfucker ride. I done been on the highway in that motherfucker.
You gonna start it up and shit?
Yeah. I gotta put a battery in. Then I gotta keep dropping it off. That battery dead in the motherfucker. Yeah. Shit, fine.
I got Instagram page. We can start up with this. All my bike content gonna be on the my regular content. Fishing and semi.
Get loud, shake it from your waist down. Shake it. Get loud, take it, flip it, rotate now. Break it. Get loud, shake it from your waist down. Shake it. Get loud, take it, flip it, rotate now. Break it. Baby, move your hip, don't break it. We don't come for the spot, we take it. Really running it like Matrix. Got a man, take a look at their faces. All this got feel like killing. Margarita got up to a 10. Trent said he was setting the trends. We up in this, they gon' do it again. Again. We gon' do it again. We gon' do it again. We set the roof on fire. Tell that mother, burn it, yeah. Get loud, shake it from your waist down. Shake it. Get loud, take it, flip it, rotate now. Break it. Get loud, shake it from your waist down. Shake it. Get loud, take it, flip it, rotate now. Break it. When y'all one coin was stressing, all the hate block your blessings. G5 when I change my setting. No 7, just know I said it. If I'm playing to win. Stay solid, don't break, don't bend. On my way to the cash out in. We up in this, we gon' do it again. We gon' do it again. We gon' do it again. On it. We set the roof on fire. Tell that mother, burn it, yeah.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got
of my mouth and you get closer to my house and you know what I'm talking about. I'm off the hood. And if you feel me, put your hands up. My heart, can you stand up? If you're not from here, you can walk it out. And you're not hood if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Everybody wanna move. Dress so fly, shit so fly. I do it what I do, what I do. I do it cause I'm good. Got me charged like these, X all right, all my life. Live my life like a king, that's why I leave it. Fight me.
Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, boy.
Go girl.
Tonight I'ma let you be the champion. Tonight I'ma let you do a thing, yeah. Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you can dig it up. Take it, baby, take it, take it, take it, come here, rude boy, 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 boy. Come here,
Go girl.
come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you can dig it up. Take it, take it, come here.
Till we won't Make some noise, make some noise. LDA, much love, man. Y'all did y'all thing as usual. Catch them summer everywhere, 219. Big salute, thanks for holding us down. Steel City Car Club, man. We outside all day with it. Let's get to it, Flex. Check. Hold on. We got a little something for y'all before y'all dip.
On behalf of Steel City, I want to thank you all for the second year that y'all have done this for us. And appreciation, special appreciation to LDA, Laura's Divas Academy, for your continued participation in Steel City Car Show 2024.
Made some noise, man. They always show up and show out. I was at the Railcast game. They was lit. I pulled up to the car show. They was lit. So LDA, man, we love y'all. Make some noise, man. Mike Flex, drop some for us. We gonna take some pictures. Aaliyah. Shout out to the whole. Shout out to all the car clubs, bike clubs, 3D. Steel City, man. Much love. Shout out to the squads out there. Another one, shout out Bizzle outside with it, man. Another one. 209 Riders outside too. Much love, man. Y'all did y'all thing. We outside. We outside all day, man. Make sure you check out all the cars, all the motorcycles, all the bikes. Real bullet shot of y'all, bro. Right check. Represents in the building. All the Gary legends pulling up. We got Mike Flash on the ones and twos. Yeah. What time is it? Every year, man, shout out Steel City. Yeah. Much love for Leah, doing her thing, yeah. We got your phone, don't dip off. One more time, all the car clubs, Steel City does this, man. They put rims on anything, man, so get with them. If you're looking for a car club home, holler at Steel City. They even got rims on the power wheel. It's real. That's what I'm talking about. 3D, much love, shout out to the squad. And just like that, man, all day we out here giving y'all something to do, giving y'all something to feel on the real. Yeah, don't forget, we got food trucks over to the left, my left, Harmony, your right. Shout out Coney King, shout out BC Eatery, and a couple of other food spots. Make sure you holler at them right now. I'm looking for Rennie, she know I'm some petting though. She gotta be thick as big player, can't do no one no skinny. On the Glock 47, it look like a DEI hit it with both hands. I signed my own chick, better stay in your lane, your little bitty broke. They hate that they love me, they regret what they said, but I don't accept I don't. They claiming he body. The whole time it was somebody else. But next bring real back, he be speaking his mind, that boy, he rap beautiful. They be ready to kill you. Hold up, I come around, put that execution.
because they was on the sale at Amazon. I bought 6 of them. So I got 6 of them.
You can get the inside if you want, bro. You can get the inside once you
They're about to take a look on the inside, guys.
Hey. 95 amp hour C9 battery charging at 16 volts.
So they're charging at 16 volts.
What's up, Juan?
Say, yeah, boy.
I can't wait till you get your
Say sundown.
They said we're gonna holler. We can.
No, this sounds good. starting to sweat. It's hot. Trying to hold the phone. The wife put out my eyes.